Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this 1.7 cubic foot GE stainless steel microwave. So my wife and I got this over the range microwave recently because our other one just unfortunately broke on us, quit working. So obviously there's the clock. You'll need to set that as the first thing you do after you install it. It is held in to the wall by a bracket under here. And then it's bolted in up in the cabinet to help secure it to the cabinet and the wall. So here's the inside. As you can see, there's the turntable plate, and then here's your control board right here with one cool function it's got is the express cook. So if you push 1, it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and 5 minutes. So I'll go ahead and show you real quick. So right here, and it automatically starts. You don't have to hit start. And then you can cancel if you want to. Just hit cancel and it turns off. So, and then down here you've got your light, high and low. We've got a vent fan, high and low. You can make this to have ductwork in the back to where it vents out the back, but we wanted the recirculation one because our house isn't made like that. But that's pretty much it. Pretty simple little microwave that we got to replace our other one. You've also got the popcorn function, beverage, potato, melt, reheat, and defrost. So, and then all these down here too. And the clock's pretty easy to set. So that's pretty much it.